Real carbon fiber for DJI Neo, lightweight full protection armor kit. Protect your DJI Neo with advanced technology. The Real Carbon Fiber Protection Kit for DJI Neo is designed to deliver ultimate protection while maintaining lightweight performance. Crafted with precision, this protective armor offers robust anti-fall features, ensuring your drone stays safe during challenging flights. Premium build and materials. Material composition, made with 3K full carbon fiber board, 1.6 mm thick, 7071 aviation grade aluminum, and EVA sponge for added cushioning and shock absorption. Unmatched strength, with carbon fiber strength rated at 600-800 MPa and aluminum alloy at 524 MPa. This kit is built to withstand tough conditions while ensuring durability. Lightweight design, weighing just 19 grams, including accessories, it provides full protection without adding bulk, preserving your drone's agility. Exceptional features: custom fit for DJI Neo, perfectly designed to snugly fit your DJI Neo drone, providing enhanced protection against impacts and falls. Full protection, guards essential components, protecting your drone from damage during flights, landings, or minor crashes. Premium packaging, comes in a compact box, 150 by 50 by 15 mm, to ensure safe delivery and easy storage. What's in the box? One set of Real Carbon Fiber Anti-Fall Protection Kit for DJI Neo. Whether you're a professional drone pilot or a hobbyist, this protective armor kit ensures your DJI Neo is shielded while maintaining top performance. Keep your drone safe and secure with this high-quality, lightweight protection solution.